Meteorologist Adam Kruger here with another episode of Weather on the Lawn. We're talking about hail today, which we've seen a lot of in Texas lately, 10 consecutive days of significant hail in the state. And that's because we've had a very active weather pattern where storms have been growing very tall. There's these strong updrafts that carry water droplets up high enough to where they turn into ice. But what goes up must come down, and the bigger it is, the faster it falls. So imagine we've got a severe storm going on right now, and I've got different size hailstones lined up right here. I'm going to show you how fast they're falling. So let's start with golf ball size. We'll get these in our area definitely in the springtime. 1.75 inches in diameter, that's coming down at 40 miles per hour. Up from there, let's go to baseballs now. This is just under 3 inches in diameter, and that's falling at 50 to 75 miles per hour, about as fast as I can throw a baseball. Softball size hail now, that's just under 4 inches in diameter, and this thing is coming down at 75 to 100 miles per hour. Up from there, it gets more extreme. We've got the terminal velocity to about 100 miles per hour for hail. This is just over 5 inches in diameter, and as wild as this seems, this actually occurred last week in North Texas, near Wichita Falls. Look at some of the images from that area. This hailstone definitely measuring over 5 inches, and then look at the damage this caused in several homes. It came straight through the roof, straight through the ceiling. You can see daylight through the roof. It's just an incredible sight right there. And then the extreme, the biggest ever measured, was an 8-inch diameter hailstone in South Dakota 10 years ago. That's the size of this soccer ball. Can you imagine this thing coming down? Luckily around here, hail this size, not really going to happen. Hail this size would be super, super rare. Even softballs really doesn't happen much. It's baseballs would be the high end, golf balls and lower is what we typically get around here. And with that happening, as long as you're inside and away from windows, you're going to be just fine.